Hello everybody and welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today I'm working on my 2007 Yamaha FJR1300. And if you've been following along in my series on this bike, I was going on vacation with it. I was out about 7 hours or so. And it was a nice, sunny, beautiful day and a great ride. It really was. It was just super. This bike was doing so well. Then out of the blue, I felt a little hiccup in it, and I wasn't really sure what that was. I didn't really notice anything after that. My temperature gauge wasn't rising. I didn't notice anything other than it was low on fuel. Well, I just happened to turn around and look behind me, and I seen something in my mirror, and it's just fogging smoke behind me. And the engine's making noise and losing some oil on the ground. So anyway, fast forward to today, I got the bike home. Now I just started some disassembly on it, taking some plastics and the guard, tip over bar, whatever you want to call it. Took it off and took the air filter out. I'm going to show you what I've seen inside there, and I'm probably going to start it up, let you hear it, and then probably do a compression check on the engine. That might be as far as I get with this video, but we'll see. So let's get started and I'll show you where I'm at. Okay, inside the air box, I know you can't really see it, but over here on this side, on the bottom tube, it's got oil in it. The other three are fine, but this one has oil coming out of it. I suspect it's cylinder number 2 because of the synchronization that I did, and I noticed that that one was having a little bit of trouble of holding steady. So I'm at the point now where I'm going to do a compression check, but before I do, let's start it up. I'll let you hear it. It does start. I won't run it very long, but I'll put you down here by it. And it doesn't sound good at all. Almost sounds like a rod knock, but we'll find out. We'll do a compression check on it and we'll see what that shows. Okay, before I start the compression check, take the plugs out and everything, I'm going to unplug these fuel injectors so that they won't be squirting fuel. Well, that's kind of tough to get to, but I don't want squirting fuel flooding the cylinders while I'm trying to do a compression check. Okay, there we go. Got them all off. Make sure they're kind of out of the way. Okay, then we'll take our spark plug wires off. Kind of get them out of the way. And these wires are labeled, so I don't have to worry about getting them mixed up. If you're not sure of which cylinder is what, the left side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take all of the spark plugs out. If I remember last time when I changed these spark plugs, these plugs don't come out well with the socket. So I'll probably have to get me a magnet. Okay, that's what cylinder number 1 looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Matter of fact, looks like it's burning pretty good. This is the cylinder in question for me. It's number 2. Oh boy. Feels like the threads are messed up. This just screwed in by hand most of the way the last time. This is coming out hard all the way. Oh boy. Yep. Catastrophic failure there. Well, we'll go ahead and take the other ones out to you. I'm sure they're okay. I wished I had one of them inspection cameras I could put down the hole. I may end up buying one, I don't know. Yeah, that one looks fine. And that one looks fine. Let's go ahead and see if it's got any compression just for the heck of it. Hopefully the threads are good enough in the head I could screw this back in. I don't know. It's not wanting to go in. Well, that's not wanting to start, so I guess I won't be able to do a compression check. Let me make sure that'll go in this other hole. And it does. Let's just see what the other cylinders have. Let me set this up. We can see it. Got the throttle wide open. Wow, that's pretty healthy. About 212. It's cylinder 3. Let's try cylinder 4. Hold the throttle wide open. About 214. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 210, 215, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it's 5 each time. So 215 the last time and about 219 this time. So cylinder 3 has about 215, cylinder 4 has 219. Let's see what cylinder 1 has. Sure wished I could check cylinder 2. I'm sure it probably Doesn't have much, if any. Okay, here's cylinder 1. Yeah, it's about 219. Boy, isn't that a shame. They're similar. They got high compression. One cylinder went out on me. I don't know if it blew the piston. See if I can see down in the hole. See if I can see the piston moving up and down. It does. Looks like it's moving up and down, but doesn't look like it's moving far. Well, that one don't either. Must have a short stroke. Okay. I guess we know what happened. We had cylinder number 2, a catastrophic failure. I don't know what happened inside. I don't know if it dropped the valve seat, broke a ring. I don't know what happened, but something came up and struck the spark plug, breaking the spark plug. So, boy, doesn't look good. So now I have to make a decision. One way or another, I'm going to tear the motor apart. I mean, whether I put the motor back in and reuse it, I want to tear it apart and find out what happened to it. But I'm probably going to be on the search for a new engine for this. I really hate that because the other 3 cylinders are so strong, and this engine was a good running, smooth shifting engine. It had no problems. So I don't know what it is with that number 2 that made it do that. But anyway, that's where I'm at, and I guess I'm just going to have to make a decision where I'm going to go from here and what's next. More than likely, I'll probably pull the motor out of it because I'm not going to do any work inside here. It'd probably be difficult. Probably be easier just to pull the motor out of it one way or another. I might as well put another motor in it if I'm going to go through all that. So, I don't mind doing a little bit of work, but boy, this is going to be a big job. I'm kind of looking forward to it. I enjoy doing this kind of stuff. I just really wanted to ride this bike more than work on it, and it seems like now I'm going to be working on it more than riding it. So I appreciate you guys coming along. I'm sorry I didn't have better news, but there'll be brighter days ahead. And I appreciate you all coming along, watching with me. And if you got any advice or concerns or anything during this process, please feel free to share it with me. I appreciate input. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you on the next one.